Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Webull, and more specifically, I'm going to go over a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you redeem your free stock that you got on Webull? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know how to redeem your free stock on Webull? Well, that's pretty easy. Webull does have a promotion where if you give someone your referral code and they sign up and perform certain tasks on Webull, like opening an account and funding the account, then time to time they do give you a free stock. If you're looking for your referral code, go back and watch my other video that describes where to find that in detail. But let me go ahead and switch over to my email now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and switched over to my email, and this is the Webull free stock claim email here. So I did have a friend sign up with Webull and they used my code, and then they were able to open up their account and fund their account. So then I got this information from Webull. Be sure to check my video description. I'm going to try to leave these written instructions there as well. So what you can do is you can easily just type right here on this blue line, tap here to get your free stock from Webull. Okay, once you type there, it's going to go ahead and jump right into your account, and it actually brings you directly to your My Free Stock page inside Webull. However, let me go ahead and go back to the home page of the app and show you how to get here if you don't have that email still. Okay, so here is the home page on Webull. In order to get your free stock and claim your free stock reward, you want to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, it's going to bring down this drop-down menu, and you want to look for this line called My Free Stock. I'm going to click there. Okay, once you click there, it brings you back to the same page that the email brings you to, and then here is where you can claim your free stock in Webull. So you can see, congratulations, I have 4 chances to claim free stock with Webull. So let me go ahead and claim those with you while I have you on the video. So I'm going to click on this blue get button. Okay, and it just processed right there, and it lets me know immediately that I received OPK as a free stock with Webull. The estimated value right now is $3.67. As you can see, this is actually a pretty common stock that you get with Webull free stock. So if you click continue, if you have multiple free stock with Webull, it'll automatically go ahead and populate that. So I'm going to click continue, and then as you see, that just pops right up immediately. And this one I got GNW for my free stock that I claimed on Webull. And let me click on continue, and then it's going to process. Once again, same thing, GNW, and then one last time, click continue, and then it looks like I got GNW again. So those are all the free stock that I get to claim with Webull at this time. Let me go ahead and close this out. Okay, so I went ahead and closed that out, and then as you can see with my free stock, it lets you know that when you claim a free stock with Webull, it's going to be in transit, and I'm claiming it on August 20th, and they're saying its expected delivery date of August 25th. So I can't actually sell this stock for cash until it has cleared into my account. And if you're looking for your free stock referral code for Webull, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. And if you're looking for information on how to claim a free stock on Webull, if you referred your family or friend or somebody like that to Webull, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way to claim your free referral stock on Webull, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.